Oh, it's beautiful. Nice.
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, JetBlue Airways proudly welcomes you to Anchorage, Alaska. The current local time is now 11:43. We'll be taxiing to the gate for a few moments. Please remain comfortably seated with your seatbelt fastened until we've reached the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. You're free now to use your phones as we taxi into our gate of arrival. Before deplaning, please check around your seating area for any personal belongings you may have brought on board. Be careful when opening the overhead bins. These articles have a tendency to shift during flight. Next time you're online, be sure to check us out on the web at jetblue.com for our lowest possible fares, details on new service, as well as information on TrueBlue, our flight gratitude program. On behalf of the Southern California-based crew and all of us here at JetBlue, thanks for flying.